In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pass any prop firm challenge, okay? Any prop firm challenge at all. Talking about funding talent, talking about my Forex funds, FTMO. It doesn't matter which prop firm that you are using or you are trying to use. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my simple secret that will help you to pass any challenge at all. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, coming to you from Dallas, Texas. And if you are watching this video today, happy Labor Day to you. You know, if you happen to be in the United States, you can see the whole street is so quiet, even though people are still at home, but many people are sleeping right now. You know, many people are sleeping, many people are just using today to rest. In fact, I decided to just come out to create this video because the kids are just right inside making trouble and making noise. Okay, so do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, smash on that subscribe button right there. Subscribe, show us some love. This is a free video. The only thing you can actually do to encourage me is to subscribe, like this video, and share it with as many that you think will benefit from the video. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds, then we'll get to the video in a second. All right, welcome back. So in case you are watching this video right now, you are wondering, okay, so what is a prop firm? Prop firms are proprietary firms, okay? They are actually companies that fund you as a Forex trader. So if you are a Forex trader and you have a little capital to trade with, and you need someone or you need a company to fund you, then prop firms are the one that you go to. All right, if you don't have a private investors, I've created some videos. I believe you will see the link right at the description of this video. I've created some videos in the past about funding talent, about my Forex funds. Those are the two that I use, and of recent I'm actually using the funded traders program. So you will see the link also over there, and right there actually is the certificate, you know, I was given when I passed the challenge. And before that happened, seriously, I failed that also. Even my Forex fund, I failed even though it's not a challenge per se, but once you violate the rule, the drawdown rules, you know, you have to pay all over again, especially if you are not going through the challenge route. So this video, take it from me, I'm talking to you from experience. I'm not creating this video that, okay, yeah, I've never violated the rules, oh, I've never broken the rules. It's not like that. We are all work in progress, and that is why I do what I do, to make sure that I show you, you know, what is working for me, and if you copy it, it will work for you. By the way, a little bit disclaimer: past, you know, result does not dictate future results. So make sure you do your due diligence. And as I've always said, you know, before you sign up for any prop firm at all, you want to be sure that at least you know what you are doing. You've invested in yourself. You've invested in yourself. You know what you are doing. You have a strategy. You have a coach. You have a mentor. And if you happen to be one of my VIP students and you are watching this video and you have subscribed to one of these prop firms, make sure you reach out to me. Let me see what you are doing, and of course I will see what I can do also to help you out, to make sure that you pass these challenges. Okay, so number one, don't be carried away. Okay, don't be carried away by the big account size that you see. So I'm going to give you this example. So let's say you sign up for one of these prop firms, and they fund you $50,000. So once they funded you $50,000, maybe you paid $5,000 to be funded $50,000, right? If you look at it very well, it's 10% of what they funded you with that you paid. Now, one of the violation rules will tell you that you cannot have more than $10,000 maximum loss. So what they are not stating very clearly to you is that, okay, you cannot lose more than what you put in. So even though you have $10,000 account, you cannot lose more than what you paid into that program. So if you paid, let's say you paid $1,000 to be funded $10,000, you cannot lose more than $1,000. So you are not really trading with $10,000, you are trading with $1,000. And okay, somebody say, okay, what do you mean, Apostle? Yes, because you have to look at your risk level, your risk management. Look at it with respect to the $1,000 that you paid. So let's say, for instance, you paid $1,000 and you are given, or you are funded a $10,000 account, and they tell you that, okay, you cannot have more than 10% drawdown, daily drawdown. In fact, some of them are 5%. I just signed up for Audacity Capital. Audacity Capital last the leverage is 1 to 3. That is so crazy. It's 1 to 3. You know, why am I signing up for all these programs? Because I like to explore what I'm teaching my students. I like to test it myself. I'm not the kind of a coach that will say do what I say and know what I do. No, I have to test it myself. I have to make sure that I know what I'm talking about, and that's why I sign up for most of all these programs, to see, okay, which one is working best, which one will I be able to recommend among all of these programs. So my goal is to test as many as possible among all of these prop firms. So as I've stated before, right now I'm testing out Funding Talent, I'm testing out my Forex fund, I'm testing out Audacity Capital, and of course the Funded Trader program. So 4 of them right now, I'm testing them out, and it's been an awesome journey. My Forex funds, I of course violated the drawdown rules once. I had to, make separate payment to buy a new program, because I'm actually on a flex account and not just the challenge. So once you violated your rules, then you have to pay to get another account. It's so crazy, but yes, I think I love it myself, because it's also helping me as a Forex trader to be more disciplined. I have different trading strategies. I have some that use the stop loss. I have some that don't use stop loss. Now, when you are trading with all these prop firms, you better have your stop loss in place. You better have your stop loss in place. Okay, so don't be carried away with that big figure. In one of my videos, you will see the link below this video. At the description of this video, I created a video about the risk and money management. I even gave you my risk calculator, okay, the money management calculator. I gave it to you for free, so you will see the link right there to download it. So let's say, for instance, you are trading with an account, $10,000 account, but you cannot risk more than $1,000. Then take a look at it this way, that okay, you don't want to get that $1,000 also in a day. So you have, most of them, you have 30 days to meet up with the challenge. Then divide it. So if you are risking 1% of your 1,000, not of 10,000, so you are risking 1% of your 1,000. So 1% will be around $10, if I'm not mistaken. So work towards $10. If you have the 1%, right? Yeah, 10% of 1,000 will be 100. So yes, $10. So let's say you are risking 2%, that will be $20. So if you make $20, then you see, you are not in this for short term. Look at it in a longer way, that okay, I'm on this journey to be here trading in the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. So if you try to reach your 10% profit target within 1 or 2 days, that is what could make you to lose your account, burn out the account, right? That's what will make you to lose the account, burn out the account quick. So number one, don't be carried away with the bigger balance in the account. Then number two, be very strict with your risk and money management. I've said that already. So you have to look at it this way. Okay, if you have funded $50,000 and they are telling you that, okay, you cannot lose more than 10%, you are not dealing with 50,000. So look at it as the way, like if the 5,000 that you put in. So if I were you, and what I'm doing right now, instead of looking at it as, okay, 5,000, I'm looking at, okay, risk of, let's say, 500. So that 500 will be, let's say, 10% of my money that I put in. So if I paid $5,000, I know I cannot lose more than 5,000. So to every trade, so let's say I have 10 trades. I have 10 trades to meet up with the 10%. That's my goal. At least on every trade to have a 1% return. So if on a trade you make 500. So with 10 trades you make $5,000, right? Also, don't look at it that because your balance is increasing, that your daily loss or daily drawdown could also increase. No, the daily drawdown has to do with your initial capital that you sign up with. That was the mistake also that I made initially. So initially I was thinking, okay, let's say for instance now I have a $300,000 account and I've made $20,000. So, and of course the maximum drawdown I should have is 30,000, but because I've already made $20,000 on that account, I think, okay, that $20,000 will help my account. No, the drawdown has to do with your initial capital. It doesn't matter whether you have made whatever a month. Okay, I mean, there was one that I noticed that, I was about violating the rules, and I closed the trade. Then I won't even say that I forgot because it's like I didn't know myself. So it wasn't up to 24 hours and I entered another trade, and that trade went, it was just minus $3,000 plus. Boom, I received an email that, okay, drawdown violation, because it wasn't up to 24 hours that I closed the previous trade. So you have to be very mindful of that. When we're talking about the daily drawdown, it has to do with 24 hours. It's not because, let's say on Monday you have let's say you have daily drawdown of 10%, okay, and which is, let's say, $1,000. Then today you have drawdown of $900 and you close the trade. You cannot place another trade, let's say tomorrow morning like 2 a.m. because it's not up to 24 hours. If you have a little drawdown, it's going to affect it. So you have to be very, very mindful of that. I know some of you, as I said, if you happen to be going through the challenge with any of this prop firm and you really need me to help you look into what you are doing, make sure there should be a contact. I mean, how you connect with me is right there at the description. Or if you're one of my students, make sure you chat me up. Let me see what you are doing and I will be able to help you out. Then number 3, you have to have this, your psychology, your trading psychology, you have to get it right. Okay, your psychology, you have to get it right. Most of you, possibly, I want to believe that you know what you are doing. You have invested in yourself. You have the training. You have the skills. You have the plan. But then when you enter a trade, you chicken out, close your trade early, and that is why you need to follow your rules. Okay, what is your trading rules that you have? Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? If you are a scalper, of course you don't even have time to be putting stop loss, but it's there for me that you glue yourself to your computer. But if you are a day trader, to every trade you make or to every trade you place, you have your stop loss, you have your stop loss, you have your take profit. Okay, and you stick to the rule. Don't chicken out, close your trade prematurely, and before you know it, you want to do a revenge trade. Let's say, okay, for instance, you lost a trade and you want to now like make it back. sometimes it could be very, very tough. And then number 4, make sure you don't do a revenge trading. A revenge trading simply means that, okay, you lost $2,000 and you want to gain it back that same day. No, treat every trade uniquely. Okay, I hope you are getting something from this video. If you are getting some values, come on, do me a favor, smash that like button, share this video. Yes, share this video 10 times. Okay, somebody, to help somebody. Okay, and if you are watching this video, you need a coach, you need a mentor. Okay, there should be a link also at the description of this video. Make sure you connect with me and let's see if you qualify for the value of my time, and maybe I can help you out. Okay, then the last point. Okay, for you to pass any of all this challenge, you have to make sure that you are working with a coach and a mentor. Don't do this all by yourself. Forex is boring on its own. Forex is very, very boring. But when you have someone that you are working with, someone that is holding you by hand, then you can rub minds together. You belong to a community that of like-minded people that are working towards the same goal as you. Then that will make sure that will get you to your destination. Once again, you can make a lot of money trading with all these prop firms, but also realize that these prop firms also make their money by you losing. They want you to lose. So because it's from you losing that most of them make their money. I'm not saying that they don't have the money stored somewhere to fund traders, but most of them really want you to lose. Because imagine if 100 people apply for go through some a challenge. Out of those 100 people, maybe 98 are going to fail. So 98 people are going to fail. The money they make from those 98 is what they use to pay the 2 people that will get funded. So you don't want to be among the 98, you want to be among the 2. I hope you got some values from this video, and if you do me a favor, as I said, smash on that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe, share this video with your friends, and if you have any question, please leave it at the comment of this video, and I look forward to see you maybe one of these days. Okay, or share your testimonial. Oh, okay, Apostle, this is what I did. I'll be able to be, I've been funded and I'm trading with this. And once you do that, you will be glad, you are helping somebody with your story and your testimonial. God bless you. I'll see you guys at the top.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.